If you're wondering how I achieved this beautiful Asho Oke Gele design, you will not believe that it is super easy and you can achieve this in less than 5 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. So I have my 3 layers Ashoke. I just make some rough pleats by folding in the fabric. See the way I folded in the fabric. And now you can see I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 plates. I'm just trying to make sure that everything align and get close to each other. And now I'm just going to bring the remainder of my hand. If you don't know how to do pleats, you can still achieve this style without pleats, guys, and you will still get amazing beautiful results for this hair wrap style. But if you put pleats, it kind of like giving more definition. That's why I added 4 pleats. So you can see the way I take the remainder of the end from back to front to the side. Yes, because when I put the gele on my head, one hand is longer than the other, so it's like a division of 60-40. So I decided to take it to the side instead of the center to balance that equation a little bit. So I'm using my hair tie to hold the gele on left and right together, and now I just use my hand to pull it up, arrange rough pleats in that arc perimeter that we have right there. And you can see it looks puffy, like it giving more volume the way I raise the pleats, the rough pleat, and that hand that I hold together with the hair tie, I folded it in a little bit, and then I'm going to be pinning down. Yes, pinning down the end of the one that is on the left side to secure it. If your fabric is so snuggy, you can tuck it in, but why not use pin? Yes, I'm going to use pin for this design. And then I open up the one on the right side, which is kind of like smaller than the one on the left side, and then I cross them in and just arrange it in such a way that it's overlap, and I use a pin to secure it in place. Guys, this headwrap style is looking so good already, even though we haven't finished this design. And there is still another twist that I'm going to show you that will make this headwrap to be divine for you. So stay tuned, I will show it to you before I finish this video, guys. And I just tuck in the other end, and now one of those ends that overlap in the center, see the way I roll it to form a small rose. So that's a trick right there. And then this small rose, you can actually drag it down and use it to cover the ear tie. Yes, and you will be good to go. Isn't this simple, guys? We are done already. I'm just arranging the arrangeables. Guys, we are done with this simple, elegant Owambe head wrap. I just pull it to the back to make sure that it's not covering my face, and we are good to go. What do you think about this head wrap style, guys? This head wrap style is giving, no. So try to use a matching ear tie. That way you don't have to stress too much about it if you don't have something to cover it up. But because I want to add more elegancy touch to this gele, I decided to add a bunch. Guys, I need your rating. Please, on a scale of 0 to 10, what rating are you going to give this head wrap based on the easy and based on how unique and beautiful it looks? Isn't this beautiful, guys? And this is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have watched to this point and you haven't given me a follow, what are you waiting for? I upload video like this every day. Don't forget to share with somebody.